So I want to mention one final thing about inverses to bring all this together. So this was the first example we did in the last video about finding inverses. Here was my function f of x, here's the inverse. Notice what happens if we substitute a value in for x, like say 3, I'm just picking a number. If I were to do f of 3, I would plug 3 into the function here, and I get out 3 times a third, that's -1 plus 1, which is 0. Meaning, I have the point 3, 0 on this graph. What should happen is, if I flip that and get the point 0, 3, this should be a point on my inverses graph. F inverse should have the point 0, 3 flipped from that. So let's see if that works. If I substitute in 0 to this x and do, so f inverse at 0, so plug in 0 for x, -3 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. So it did work. Notice that this has the point 0, 3. We could try with other values as well. So if you want, try substituting in 6, like -1/3 times 6. That's -2 plus 1, which is -1. So this graph has the point 6, -1. On this one, if I were to plug in -1, I should get out 6. So put in -1 for x, that's 3 plus 3, which is 6. So that's one way you can verify that these inverses work. You could also graph both of these and see if they are in fact reflections across the line y equals x.